guys, this is Satoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
For few months, you not know so that your bearder. Now your bearder. Oh, now you can't know so that your bearder. Yeah, this man. Go get a life and go work on yourself as a single mother and have a good husband because you are an antiquity woman. Thank God, say you know, so you be second hand and you go follow people drag husband tire. Because men will even follow you. They go to use you, dump you. And now why use your saga affects many senior men. Their grandfather don't sleep with you. When they fuck you. The one who don't fuck you, turn to your godfather. Not back here or here, no, your godfather. Precious man! Don't let me come up for you. If I allow a bear, I look like Monica. Precious Ekia. When I own it, I give you when I dump you. Because of one of our and I have godfather, goddaughter. Don't play. You go learn in the hard way. May I do my water? No one drink. Precious Okolita, the down. I think it's ask now. Which other house me enter? Me I call your house. Open your door, me enter. Precious, open your door, make I enter. I think it's a house. Which other house is make I enter again? I you talk like Babola again. Hey, look at my home. Everything I follow.
Social media. Sam, now this one I just shut up on a matter. How they be now? How they be now? How they be? Ni we get man you are. Yeah, not be film trick on a reality. Not be film trick on a reality. Oh, how they be? How they be now? No matter your parent.
Precious man, we young we. No kuboni wae. Ọmọ nu wegi wage ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀sùwọ̀ where them odo we ọmọ nu wegi where is a DHL wife when na mo ade obodo ba no say madam with I will go some money we I achieve when no you help me go for years we achieve am I there we are kick up near there ma re le dogele we ke na ni ga ni love precious pig mommy pig Frapping out one book. Pray your spell you want all lose. All in life or shower work we do, it not blue. Now the work we can do now when they do the but that work we they do we go to clear the yansh for Germany there. Now therefore can they see money with the go there open with pig. They let the piggy, the family piggy. I've been a family pig. I've been a family pig. Hello? Hello? What up, Bema? That's my real video. All right. Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Wage, not be mad, so not be a year.
Okay, ma'am.
Message to a dog glassy, message on enemy adoption woman, message on enemy. I'm not going to my soul when you're not saying that.
Is she an adulterous woman or not? That's one thing you should ask yourself. Is she an adulterous woman or not? She's an adulterous woman, right? But what do you expect for us to cover up for her? For us to disgrace her? Where were you when the godson said she started telling her that her husband was not licking her pussy? Her husband only licked her pussy once. She got married to her husband. You want me to play the video for you again? You get it? Mommy, let the whole none open video no.
na feel pege yana ga open the live video ni o wa ni ga go yige social media ya meet up e ba wa meet up e ki o we do of you one na no na won call use social media to meet up. Who get money not the social media? Who get money not the social media?
If you really talk on Ekiowe prayers man why number one. The president of on Ekiowe fee now no we fee the social media precious man. You are the CEO of Onagbogyefi. Yes. The CEO of our first trade in the social media now. Nagbogyefi the web precious man, you are number one. You are trying to stagger yourself up with you we have follow up. Who were there? That was your occupation. You degree, you have certificate of it. You graduated from here, prostitute, and at the same time also go higher institution by being a single mother with different name. Even your first son up to now, you don't even know the father. Precious man, they cannot read your history. The boy will give you belly when you claim say give you belly. When you leave for Italy, go check Norway, go do a shower, and you call you carry belly, and you see that the boy get belly. Last, the boy request for DNA test. Why be saying already or you don't you go give you? Now you talk about. What's the happened? You want the black with this side? Where the father? Where the father of the black with this side? Precious man, not let us open your vessel to the sea. How you take hustle for no way? You are a proud mom. You know the story now. You know your squad now. Precious man, you know what you cost this woman? What's it be name? Pemi Osula. The daughter of legends Osula. And what's his name? Bayode. Who engaged Pemi Osula? The first woman that gave birth to a child for Bayode. What happens to their marriage? Precious men, you there inside. Don't let me talk to. Don't go there. I will expose you. Precious men, all the atrocities you guys did in Norway, me I can't open up. What do you use the money to? Showcase your hotel, your audio hotel. Let's see. You don't say you get a hotel for Abuja. Showcase some see. Precious men, let me start the talk. And they are going. What are you going? Yes, I don't look. I don't live there. What are you with your fake life today? Just 2 hours. Precious men, shocking yourself. Don't let me come out and talk. Because I go drag many of you come out for this video. Precious men. How many times I call you? Precious men, a precious in no Maggie. Obiaba. Laowa. Don't let me drag you come on for this live video. If you want to drag yourself, I will follow you for what I mean to come. If you make me verse, I write your name, come out my live video, bring your picture, come out, I will drag everything about to come out. You will cast to go to cast. You do the tier, not play. Hey, are you boy? Hey, are you boy? Your matter, I just to where or river, make river float up come out. If you let me reverse that river, come back. You will not like me, not be threatened. Reality now, what now will do not talk. I don't threaten anybody. Yeah, well, yeah, me, if you like, go call police. They test you. Now your mate come here, come say you want to call police. One come to Nisha. Don't play you. Hey, are you boy? Precious man. Hey, are you boy? My sister. Sorry, we're married. Sorry, we're married. You shot the 100 with my signature. Don't be joke. I'm going to follow you the joke. You know, like bad man. You want to kill it. You're going to work with it. The man will see you go. When you clip now, I will bring a picture. I get the picture. Now, I don't know. I don't make justice. Justice for J-Boy. Justice for J-Boy. Precious men get make justice. You got to change anyway. Go. So they live on. What is on TikTok video now? Where I live on?
You're fine. Go on.
I live on. Every year now, you bottom one. Only you. When you go work kill it, you do kill it. I can kill it. It's not long in now. A lot of now. A lot of women. I can kill it for you. It's so clear. Quantity.